Hi guys, today we are going to put together an adjustable base. This one comes from Leesa. You know, Leesa has their mattresses, a line of sheets, pillows. Your one-stop shopping for everything almost, bed-wise or bedroom-wise. But today we're going to put together this adjustable frame and we're going to do it together. We're going to see what sets it apart, its pros and cons, and let's just do it together and see what's inside this box. Now make sure you always ask for help. This could be heavy, it is heavy, but I'm going to do it by myself. I've put together a whole bunch of adjustable bases and I was able to do it by myself so far. So let's see how this one works. Now inside the box, first thing first, always locate the manual. Inside the manual it's very helpful that you follow the steps. I will be following the steps, although I'm not a big fan of that, but I will follow the steps. Alright, I'm going to open the box and locate all the accessories that come inside this box to put together this adjustable frame. So looking at the label here, I see that this bed is made for Leggett and Platt, and it is pre-assembled, which means the two pieces are put together. Some other adjustable bases have two separate pieces that we have to assemble and make it one big adjustable base. I'm going to locate the accessories and make this adjustable frame. So here's what I have struggled with. When you want to put this bolt through and through to secure it with this pin, make sure you tilt it a little bit so it is aligned. Don't put the whole base flat like this, because I have struggled with the other side and then I figured maybe I should play around with the bed a little bit, which is what I did, and now I can see the complete hole where I can secure it with a pin. Alright, oh my gosh, this should be easier than that, but okay, follow instructions and do not lay it flat. With the first step, don't lay it flat, please, just tilt it a little bit so you can find the holes and make sure that you can insert that bolt and secure it with a pin. Okay, that was step one. Now, next step is to install the legs. They're also protected by this little tip, so just remove it. So this is how you can adjust the leg height. First of all, you just make sure that it's sitting properly and it's screwed in. You see this little pin here, just push it, twist, and then you can adjust it until you find the correct or matching hole. And then it's going to stick out. And look how high it is right now. You see that? That's pretty cool. I'm going to do this again. And make it lower until it finds the hole. And then it sticks out and then you have a lower. There you go. A lower height or a lower leg. So, I'm going to make it a little higher. This one. Oh, that's really cool. I mean, you just twist and then adjust it to the correct height or the height that you like. Alright, I'm going to do this with all the legs. Of course, make sure they're all the same height, not one that's higher than the other. Just so you know, guys, if you are not familiar with Leggett and Platt, we will be working more with them. There's another adjustable base that's on its way. I will keep you updated to see if they have the same features or if they are different. They're all the same height. It's recommended 10-14 inches. Did you notice something very familiar and cool about this adjustable base, guys? If you haven't, I will tell you right now. Look at those stripes. This adjustable base is the perfect match to your Leesa mattress. Ta-da! Okay, I plugged it in. Moment of truth. Okay. It's lifting me up, so I'm using of course, the head button. So you have these buttons. Head, foot, up and down. Under bed light, which is really cool, so you don't have to trip or then fall or whatever when you wake up in the middle of the night. So you have a light. I always use the under bed light and other adjustable bases that I test. And then you have both, which means simultaneously you can use the head and foot button. But right now, let's see. Okay, this sound. I'm pretty sure you can hear it, guys. It's like someone drilling. It sounds like a drill. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be this loud. These are all the motor that's under the head, which is this part, and then the foot, but this is simultaneously going down, foot and head together. I can tell you, it's very sturdy, it's very heavy, it's very secure. Now what worries me is the sound, that noise. I don't know about you guys, but other adjustable bases do have a sound, but not that similar, a little lower if you want. But you will notice them, of course. Okay, the things that I have not seen on the Leesa adjustable base are the USB ports. So I would say it's a basic adjustable base. If you're looking to just unplug and chill and unwind, you don't need to put your electronics in your bed as well. Maybe that's their message, or this is what they mean by not having USB ports, and maybe you just don't have that accessory, this add-on. What you see is what you get. Everything is on this remote control. It's pretty cool, basic, simple, yet sturdy, and I love the color again. It matches your Leesa mattress. It can definitely carry also the Superior, which is heavier. I'm going to put the retainer. The retainer helps for your mattress not to fall exactly this way. There you go. That way you will also secure your mattress so it doesn't slide off the adjustable base. So those were I did notice pros. Pros are that it's heavy, which is a good thing. Heavy means sturdy, means it's gonna last longer. Now, it is basic. A lot of you look for just basic things in an adjustable bed. I did not notice the USB ports, and I did not notice a massager button. Usually, a lot of other adjustable bases do have massagers. But this is just straight to the point, adjustable base that does the job of lifting your head and feet up. You can also adjust the remote control itself, and then you can have a zero gravity kind of position as well when you push these buttons, or the simultaneous head and feet lifting. So I'm gonna push this because I'm gonna tilt the head down and then do the both feet and head up, and this will take me to 0G or zero gravity that I'm used to in other adjustable bases. So you don't have to have that button, but you can come up with it once you set up your remote control. So that was the Leesa adjustable base from Leggett and Platt. It's very important that you also, a lot of adjustable bases, and I think this one as well, when you lift your head like that, It also leads to anti-snore. So it's anti-snoring without seeing the button, but you will notice it. You don't have to see that button and click anti-snore. So it's just simple, yet it does the job. Anti-snore, zero gravity, lounge position, head up, feet up. No massager, no USB ports, yet there's a under light button, under the bed you will see a light. And this is it. It's coming from Leggett and Platt again. We will see another Leggett and Platt coming soon, and I will show you if they have anything in common or whatnot, or they're the same or not. Keep your eyes peeled on another video where we will be comparing a whole bunch of adjustable bases side by side. Now here's the exciting part. I have mentioned that this adjustable base reminds me of the Leesa mattress. Let's just put a Leesa mattress on this adjustable base and see how it works on its own product. Now, if you do not see a button also that says flat, do not freak out. Naturally, let's say the head is up, just push the head down button and then you have it on flat. Just keep pushing and holding until it's flat. And this is what I'm gonna do. Just wanted to show you that. Now, besides the fact that my outfit also matches all Leesa products today, I want to show you the Leesa mattress that match perfectly on the adjustable base in colors. Oh, here's what I have noticed. That this thing is kind of sticky, huh? Okay, so this is good, guys. Do you hear that? Your mattress is not gonna fall off or slide. But you're gonna need help to put it correctly on the adjustable base. It's a little tricky. Am I having fun? Yes, I am. So it's like made for it, so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, there we go. We are going to see all the positions and how the Leesa mattress moves on the adjustable base, on its own adjustable base. I have here also their hybrid mattress, their hybrid pillow right here. That's the pillow that I use the most. Without forgetting their blankets, sheets. Okay, let's put the adjustable base to the test, the real test, which means carrying and holding a Leesa mattress and how it works and moves around with it. Here I am moving the head. That sound kind of is now less, like you can still hear it, but not as much as before because of the mattress sitting on it. So it's probably something good. Let's move the foot up. And this is how you get the lounge position. A little bit of head, foot, and there you go. Oh, that's not bad at all. I'm going back to flat also with the help of the down button simultaneously. They both go down and now you have flat position. And that's really cool. Now I'm going to go all the way up and see how the mattress conforms on the Leesa adjustable base, the Leesa mattress. Don't worry about this. This is very natural. It's normal. It's gonna happen. Plus you are going to cover your mattress, so it's not something that I would worry about. Foot up. That's really nice. Okay, we're going to round up the pros and cons. And I'm going to mention them. I have a lot of adjustable bases. This adjustable base. Has everything you need, yes, except for the massager and the USB ports. These are the two things that I did not notice. And you don't really need all the other buttons if you want, because everything is in here on this remote control and these buttons. You just need to play around and discover it. There is a lounge position. It's up to you to find it and find out how. But it is right there, like this is how I'm sitting. This is also a reading and TV position, and this is what you find in other remote controls. There's also the underbed light right here. I mean, it's pretty cool. Simple, basic, sturdy, and it goes really well with your Leesa mattress and your Superior as well. Don't forget to check out all the other products that come from Leesa. We hope you enjoyed this movie. Please let me know if you have any questions about it or any other products you would like us to test, and we are here to answer them. Thank you for watching.